Hi and welcome to Photoshop Tricks and Tips. In this video I want to show you a quick and very useful tip for opening images into Photoshop from Camera Raw. So let's dig in. My name's Ken Fisher and this is LiveLink Training. Okay, now when working with Adobe Bridge you can open a RAW file by just double clicking on the thumbnail. You can't open it in here. This is the preview. If you click on the preview or do anything, you just get the loop. You've got to do it from the thumbnail. And if I double click on the thumbnail, what that's going to do is open up first Camera Raw. And then if I don't want to do anything in here, then I've got to click the Open Image button and it will open up in Photoshop. And that's cool. Well, what if I know that I'm not going to want to make any adjustments in Camera Raw? So the Camera Raw stage in this instance is a bit of a waste of time. So is there a way I can open up a RAW file directly into Photoshop and miss out the Camera Raw stage? Well, if I said no at this point, it would be a bit disappointing. So my answer to my question, because I am talking to myself when I'm making this video, is yes, you can. Now from Bridge, go back to Bridge. If I hold down the Shift key and double click on the thumbnail, it will open the image up straight into Photoshop and miss out opening the Camera Raw stage at all. Right, I hope you found that quick tip useful. If you did, please feel free to share it with your friends. Give me a thumbs up or like my Facebook page. And if you've got any comments, please leave them in the More area under the video. And lastly, but not leastly, please click the subscribe button at the end of the video and help me grow my Photoshop learning community. I'll see you in the very next video. Bye for now.